Hello, I'm Jake Wells with SealBoss Corporation. In this video, I'm going to cover how to use your hand-operated cartridge gun for use with SealBoss's 22-ounce 1:1 ratio cartridges or our 2:1 ratio 14-ounce epoxy cartridges. Going over the gun in front of us, you have two plungers which push the cylinders with the material out. You have your hand-operated trigger, you do have your release tab here, and you do have your pull rod to retract the plungers. Loading the cartridge gun, you want to grab your cartridge with static mixer attached. You're going to load this in bottom first, so it's nice and good to remember to fit it over the top of your two plungers. Make sure that those plungers are in each cylinder. You're going to push down, fit it in between the slot, and make sure it's pushed in all the way. Good indicator that you have this in correctly is that it's going to be a nice even plane here on the top. You're not going to have it off or angled at any point. As well, you can always check your bottom of your plungers. As you begin to use this and push and pull your trigger, the cartridge plungers are going to move forward. If it is off at any angle, one of those is going to be stuck. You might be hard to push or it might jam. You always want to make sure and keep note of that. Quickly press on your release tab, pull those plungers all the way back and realign. Going over the removal process, instead of putting in bottom first, you're going to take out top first. So with your plungers retracted all the way, I like to grab hold of the stem of your static mixer. You're going to give it a nice pull. It's going to come right out. You can go and dispose of that, reload, and continue using. If you have any further questions on this cartridge gun or any of our SealBoss cartridge systems, you can always reach out to your local SealBoss rep. Find us online here at SealBoss.com. Thank you.